record her. Oh, Layla, can you come over here, please, for a moment? I want to check your posture. Stand over here, just like that. Okay, Mom, would you? Ready?
Yeah.
Relax your arms. Okay, turn around. Can you touch your toes? Bend forward. Touch your toes. There you go. Okay, stand up. Okay, let's get on the table. And ready? Okay, Layla, lay down on your side. Facing me. Keep turning. One more turn. One more turn, gelado. This way. Essa é bom. Good. On your back. Give me your hands. Okay, Layla, can you put your head right in my hands? We're going to get a little pop here. Relax your head. Good. Good job. How's that feel? Yeah, okay. You're all done. Good job. Come on up.